What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be bringing back car back to life, like completely. So today I'm putting my clutch in, you know, since a lot of you guys know my clutch was slipping. So I'll put my clutch in on my car and then also put my turbo back in since it's already here. I would do my girl's car right now too, but unfortunately her turbo's not here yet until tomorrow. So if it comes here tomorrow, then I'll do it tomorrow. If it doesn't come here tomorrow, then it looks like I'm doing it next week. I don't know. We'll see how today goes, and we'll see. I'm gonna keep checking the updates on FedEx, see what's going on, see if it gets here today, tomorrow, or see what's going on with it. But anyway, you know, I got the ACT Extreme Heavy Duty Clutch, whatever, the $666 one on Rally Sport. I got that one. Also got the lightweight flywheel and the street, not the super light one, but the generic lightweight flywheel, I guess. I've installed those so many times, so it's just a piece of cake to me now. So I'm gonna do that, and then also I'm gonna do motor mounts and the trans mount from what's it called? What's that? From Torque Solution. So I'll have Torque Solution everything, the pitch stop mount, the motor mounts, and the trans mount. Next, later on down the line, I'll get the rear diff mount as well. And I mean, I'll let you guys know I already have a carbon fiber drive shaft, so this car's about to be fucking hooking and booking. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna do my alignment so I could get my wheels straight. Oh fuck, which I also gotta go get. Alright, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna test fit Daniel's wheels. I don't know if you guys know him, probably not, but I'll post a picture of his car somewhere around here. But yeah, I'm gonna put one of those wheels on. I'm gonna test fit them, see how they fit on see how they fit with the wide body. So we're gonna go, you know, test fit those, and if I like it when I air out, see if it's, you know, on point. Maybe I run a little bit of camber, not too aggressive like I used to, but just enough to make the car look good, and also, you know, have traction this time. You know, because I don't know if you guys saw my Daniel video, like when I hit 500, like it was taking chunks off my tire. So yeah. So like, without further ado, let's get right into it. You know, right now I'm on the way. Actually, I'm on the way to McDonald's. Well, actually, let's go to Taco Bell today. On the way to Taco Bell, get some breakfast, and then on the way to the shop. And I mean, I'm not gonna show you guys in detail every little thing that I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna give you guys like a little time-lapse videos and whatnot. Just, you know, because I've done this so many times. That's actually a clutch video install, like more in depth. So if you guys want to go check that out, just go to my videos and you guys will find it. Actually, I'll link it down below for you guys, so you guys are not like scrolling through all my videos and all that shit. But anywho, I'm gonna do that right now, and then, you know, also T51r turbo finally going in. So I'm really excited for this. You know, I really wanna hear this T51r mod. Hopefully this turbo sounds fucking loud. I'm literally fucking stoked. Like, fuck, I can't wait to get this motor in and out. And also I'm gonna do a 30K service on the car. So I'm gonna do a trans flush, I'm gonna do a rear diff flush, oil change of course. And also I'm gonna flush out all the fuel, because this E85 been in there for like the past damn near 3 months. So I gotta flush out all that E85 out of there. So I'm gonna go do that right now. What else? I'm gonna do coolant flush. Well, I have to, because I'm pulling the motor out anyway. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm still waiting on my CAE shifter, the short throw shifter. I don't know if you guys know about those, but I'll post a picture. You know, this is what it looks like. But anywho, I'm waiting on that. I'm still waiting on that to come in. It's supposed to be getting here in March, so once March hits, then I mean, I'll do an install video on that. But I'm really excited for that one too. I'm not excited on cutting up my center console area, but you know, I have to do what I have to do. You know, get those shifts faster, and you know, that shifter is fucking intense. So I'm really excited to be putting that one in as well. What else? And yeah, I mean, I'm just excited to finish this car, to be honest. All I gotta do is just wrap it and get my wheels made and whatnot, and then go from there, you know. I'm going for a track stand setup, but like I said, if I like the way it looks, kind of semi-stance, then I might do a light pull on like R888s. You know, I know it's been done before, just enough to get the lip a little bit out, so you know when the air out will be like fender to lip, well, fender to wide body. So I still have the traction, but I also have a little stretch, you know. So I might do that. I'm still not fully sure on how I want to do this, how I want to go about this. I mean, Subi Jet's car when he had the Mint Rider kit, and you know everything was on perfectly, and then the track stands they had were just phenomenal. That's one of the reasons why I fell in love with that. And also, like I said, Theraflu's car is fucking insane. I love that car. I mean, he has like I said, kind of like what I want to do, like a mild, like super low stretch, and like, you know, when he airs out, it's like fender to wide body. So I do like that feminine as well, but you know, it's gonna come down to, you know, personal preference. So I'm gonna see how it looks right now with like a little bit of stretch, you know. And well, this one has a shit ton of stretch, but I'm gonna see how, you know, how it looks. If I like it, then I'll send it, but if I don't, then fuck it, I'm not doing that shit. I'm gonna do full track setup, which I'm leaning more to doing full track setup. But like I said, I'm the type of person that changes my mind every single day, so I may end up getting 2 sets, you know, one for show and one for track. So I'll keep you guys updated once we actually come down to that. Right now, like I said, I'm just be doing the clutch and getting my car running. I don't need a tune for my turbo mod. It's just literally just a noisemaker. It doesn't do anything. Doesn't give me power gain. Doesn't do anything like that. It's just literally the same turbo. Which I am gonna go back to Travis once my girl's car is done and get it retuned for more boost, because I want to push 24 pounds. I talked to Travis and he said I could be pushing up to 30, 32 maybe, pushing it, but you know. So we're gonna go there. I might do a 4-port boost controller once the day comes, like once we actually go get tuned. But if not, then, you know, I'll keep it as it is. But I'm gonna talk to him more about it, see what he thinks. But you know, all my recommendations are based off what's it called? Based off Travis recommendations, you know. I'm not gonna be sending you guys out to fucking, you know, doing a bunch of different shit. So anywho, enough of me talking. You know, you'll probably skip through this video. If you didn't skip through it, then give it a thumbs up. But if you guys did, then fuck you. No, I'm just kidding. Oh well. Alright, I'm gonna cut this out here, and then I'll get back with you guys when I get in the shop. So get ready. So we're at the shop. I just started taking everything off. Time lapse. Alright guys, motor's out. My bad, I forgot to record. Literally I was like, I'm gonna record it when I pull it out, but here we are. Pulled it out. Piece of cake, you know. Only took me about what, 2 hours? 2 hours? 2.5 hours or so. So there we go. Now I'm about to fucking switch this clutch out. So you switch the clutch out, like I said, it's just all of these 12s, and then there's 14s in there, and then you pop that off, and bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna switch the motor mounts out. So I'm gonna get to it right now, and I'll get back with you guys when I get all this shit done. Anyways, changed the spark plugs. They weren't too bad, but I just changed them, might as well. So I'm going back for more power anyways. I fixed this line so it's a little more straighter. See, so it's not touching in this. A little more straighter, you know. It doesn't look like Juan over here all crooked and gay, you know. And then also did the motor mounts. Instead Torque Solution motor mounts. Semi-solids. ACT clutch, like I said. Now I gotta drop the motor in, you know. Gotta drop the motor in. Bada bing, bada boom. This kind of looks badass though. Just bam. Look at that. Fucking turbo on and everything. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys some time lapse for like the 10th time today. Shut your bitch ass up, Jeremy. You fucking ugly ass motherfucker. No, no stock having ass. No. Alright, so I just finished. It's been coming all day because I had to fix some shit, had to tuck some wires, etc., etc. Kind of what I did to my girl's car. Did it to this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start it up. I did not do the transmount because I'm gonna wait for the short shifter to come in. So I did both at once. Also, I'm not gonna do the rear diff and trans flush yet until I actually get my. I don't know, once I get closer to the tune date, then I'll do it. But I did do the oil change. I'm gonna flush the system. So once this is done being annoying, I'm gonna do a little startup, you know? So, damn, look at that. Look at that. Boom. I was looking at it, and then this is where the intake kind of goes over. So if I come all the way here, it's gonna fucking block off the T51r Mod. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna put the intake on slowly and see what happens. So anywho, let's get right to it, you know. Hopefully this just starts, because after I got the car from DTM, everything was flashing. I don't know what the fuck they did, or if it's just my battery being dead, but we'll see right now. See, I can't even hear the fuel pump's prime or anything. Great. So hopefully the ECM's not fried, but if it is, I'm so fucking pissed. Like this is not cool. You know? Like DTM, I honestly have not touched, and look at this, everything's fucking flashing. So I'm gonna try to do a hard reset. Hopefully that works, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I fixed it. DTM just kind of blew out like 6 fuses, but yeah, turbo though. Woo! I gotta let it relearn itself because I just retuned it. So now I got some E85 in there from hella long ago. I have, let's even say, but anywho, you know, I'm excited. Finally got this car back and running, you know. It took me a while. I know the wheels off because I was test fitting. But anywho, I'm stoked, you know. Finally, it's been so long without my car. I mean, just take a look here, you know. Take a look. Let me make sure everything's good, you know, and then we go for a little test drive. So here we go. The car's fully aired out. And the front though, just tucking. The rear tucking as well. Damn, that's just wide. Holy shit! Can't wait to put some wheels on this shit. It's gonna be look fire. Wheels and then the wrap. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Ooh. Alright. Let me clean up all this mess because I left the mess. Let me clean it all up and then we'll go for a drive. See how it runs, see how it is. You feel me? I don't know if you guys can hear this, but damn, that T51r Sounds so cool. Holy shit. Let's see if I can do it again. Hear that, but Jesus Christ, it's loud. God damn. This is so sick. Ooh, backfire. So I'm not supposed to be stepping on it, but because the clutch, I still gotta break it in completely, but I'm gonna give you guys a light pull. Holy shit! This sounds so sick. Oh fuck. Pull over, right now back to Chevy and see if I can see anything leaking or anything like that. Alright guys, time to close this video out. It was super fucking fun doing that installation. You know, like I said before, something always goes wrong. You know, unfortunately, DTM outer body. You know, I don't know what happened. I'm pretty sure that the battery was going down. I don't know if someone jumped it wrong or whatnot, but anywho, they blew out like 6 fuses, so I had to like literally figure out which fuses were gone, and then I figured it out, you know, I got it started and whatnot, so it's a plus, you know. And then when I went to go drive it, that's just everything was all worth it, guys. So T51r Mod is a for sure must. If you have a bigger turbo, then you guys should go get it. LCD Works does it, also Com Turbo does it, so either or, you know, it's up to you guys if you guys want to go that loud, but what's it called? Yeah, and that was fun, but I'm gonna leave you guys that little tease. You know, I'm teasing myself as well because, you know, I have to break the clutch in completely, so I have to do that first, and then I can do a couple pulls, and then you know, the real fun begins. You know, so if you guys are new, if you guys are ready to see more, go subscribe. You know, 98% of you guys that watch this video don't subscribe, so go subscribe. You know, get ready for this video coming up, you know, for my dyno, for my second dyno to get more boost, and also, you know, I'm gonna do some POV driving again. So if you guys like my POV driving, the previous one, you can for sure like this other one. So you know, subscribe, put the post notifications on so you guys don't miss out. But in other words, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.